Hi and welcome to Fun-Lugha, Kilonga na Kiswahili. On today's session, we will talk about animals and their names in Swahili. As you may or may not know, Tanzania, where I'm from, has the biggest national park in the world, that is Serengeti National Park. So I figured it's only right that I cover animals. So, what's the first thing to learn? An animal in Swahili is called mnyama. Mnyama. And the plural is wanyama. Wanyama. So before I go on to the list, I'll just say one thing. You are going to notice that I'm not going to touch on so many common animals, okay? The reason being, I have already touched on them on previous lessons, okay? You may or may not remember, but I have already told you quite a good number of animals' names in Swahili. So just, for you, I will just put links at the end so that you can go back. If you're compiling a list or something, you can just add them onto the list, okay? So let's start. A dog is mbwa. Mbwa. An elephant is tembo. Tembo or ndovu. Ndovu. A giraffe is twiga. Twiga. A buffalo is nyati. Nyati. A leopard is chui. Chui. A cheetah is duma. Duma. An impala is paa. Paa. A hyena is fisi. Fisi. A hippo is kiboko. Kiboko. A donkey is punda. Punda. A crocodile is mamba. Mamba. A chimp is sokwe. Sokwe. A baboon is nyani. Nyani. A monkey is kima. Kima. A mouse is panya. Panya. A pig is nguruwe. Nguruwe. A rabbit is sungura. Sungura. A rhino is kifaru. Kifaru. And lastly, a snake is nyoka. Nyoka. That was quite a mouthful. So as always, let's run through the Swahili words one more time. First of all, an animal is mnyama and animals are wanyama. On to the list. Mbwa, tembo or ndovu, twiga, nyati, chui, duma, paa, fisi, kiboko, punda, mamba, sokwe, nyani, kima, panya, nguruwe, sungura, kifaru, and nyoka. And that is it for this session. As always, thank you very much for subscribing to my blog, liking my Facebook page, and also subscribing to my YouTube channel. And you can always follow my brand new Twitter account as well. Until next time, be safe. Asanteni na kwaherini.